All right, students. I want to encourage you all to check your email and your Canvas page for all of your classes every day. Information during a semester comes at you so quickly. You got to make sure you keep up, and checking announcements on your Canvas page and keeping up with email, that's a great way to do it. In this video, we'll learn how to use a calculator to change fractions into decimals. When you work your homework problems, I'd like you to write the fraction down first. We'll put the answer right next to it. We'll get the answer by remembering that this is not only a fraction bar, it's also a division bar. Think of this as 7 divided by 8. On a calculator, that's 7 divided by 8, and hit equals. 0.875. Put the 0 in front. 0.875. 7/8 is the same as 0.875. Show me the whole decimal, just like that. Let's try number 2. Write down the fraction. Next to it comes the answer. It's 5 divided by 4. Now that's improper. The top number bigger than the bottom number. 5 divided by 4. When we start with an improper fraction, we'll end up with an answer that's bigger than 1. 5/4 is the same as 1.25. Number 3 is a mixed number. Copy the 4, put the decimal point next to it, and then change 1/3 into a decimal. We'll go 1 divided by 3. But when I type in 1 divided by 3, my calculator gives me 0.333 repeating. It stops at this 3 on the calculator, but only because that's as far as the screen goes. These 3's really go on forever. How do I write that? I'll write it this way. It's 4 and 0.3 repeating, which is written as 0.3 with a bar over it. The bar tells me that those 3's repeat forever. There's the proper way to write down the answer for number 3. No need to write this on your paper, just the problem and your answer. For number 4, type in 1 divided by 25. 1 divided by 25 is 0.04. 1 over 25 is 0.04. See, when the decimal stops, we'll write the decimal just like that. When the decimal doesn't stop, that's when we use the bar. On number 5, I copy the problem down and then type in 2 divided by 5. And my calculator gives me 0.4. Whoops, that should be 0.4. Beautiful. On number 6, well, number 6 is negative. Put the negative out front and then type in 7 divided by 12 is 0.58. Look at those 3's repeating. When your calculator says 0.58 and 3's that repeat, how do we show 3's that repeat? We write 3 with a bar over it. Negative 7/12 is negative 0.583 repeating. There's the best way to write number 6. For 7, it's a mixed number. Put the 4 down first, and then change 13/20 into a decimal. So it's 13 divided by 20 is 0.65. 4 and 13/20 is 4.65. When the decimal terminates, like this one did, we write the whole decimal down. When the decimal doesn't terminate, like this one repeated, that's when we use the bar. Will number 8 terminate or repeat? Let's try it. We'll go 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3. Well, that's an improper fraction, so my answer is bigger than 1. It's 2 point, but then those 6's repeat. Now at the end they put a 7. like it doesn't repeat. All they're doing there is rounding off. This really means that these 6's repeat forever. And when the 6's repeat forever, that's when we use the bar. 8/3 is 2.6 repeating. That's the way I want you to show your answer for a problem like number 8. Will number 9 terminate or repeat? Let's check. It's negative. And then 3 divided by 11 is 0. That's a lot of repeating. 0.27272727. The 2 and the 7 both keep repeating. So we'll write that this way. It's 0.27 with a bar over both the 2 and the 7 to show that they both repeat. On your homework, write the problem down, put the answer next to it. No need to write this part. On number 10, will it terminate or will it repeat? 7 divided by 16 is 0. Now this one doesn't repeat, it terminates. If it terminates, we write the whole thing down. 4375. Don't round it off. Give me the whole answer. Number 11 is a mixed number. Copy the 6 and change 5 ninths, 5 divided by 9, into a decimal. Is 0.555 repeating? We'll show that as 0.5 repeating. There's your best answer for number 11. When the decimal repeats, that's when we use the bar. For number 12, it's 3 divided by 200 is 0.015. It doesn't repeat, so we show the whole decimal. All right, your turn. Go work some homework problems. I'll see you later on today.